Varinder now. Did you know about a company whose market cap has surged nearly 5,000% in the last 2 years, with less than 10 crore of profit reported in the last 5 years? Strangely, the cost auditor's audit report for the last 4 years is yet to be filed. Varinder, take it away.
Well, the name of the company is Nutra Plus. As you rightly said, the chart comes on your screen and you can see from the chart, the price was around 10 rupees or something, around 2 years back. From 10 rupees, the stock has surged to as high as nearly 300 rupees. The adjusted stock price is up nearly 2,500%. And the market cap of this company, which was only 7.5 crores in March 2014, is now standing at 400 crores. That means a surge of nearly 5,000%. The company is a producer of bulk drugs, active pharmaceutical ingredients, specialty chemicals, and intermediaries. 400 crores market cap. Look at the numbers. For the last 3 years, these are the consolidated numbers taken from the annual, balance sheet of the company. While the sales have, stood around that 45 to 60 crore mark, it was a loss in the last year, which was 4 crores loss. In the preceding 2 years, 6 crores profit what they done. Even if you go back last 5 years, the total profit put together by the company doesn't exceed 10 crore rupees. The management in one of the older presentation, I found out that they guided for 250 crores of sales in FY16. In the 9 months, they have only done 52 crores, so they are nowhere near to the mark what they've guided. Importantly, in the annual report, it's clearly mentioned that the cost auditor's audit report for the financial year 2011-12, 12-13, 13-14 is yet to be filed, and the said report for 2014-15 is under process. So there's no cost auditor's audit report as well from the company. Now, what has led to this? Clearly, the preferential allotment and the warrant allotment, which has been done in the last 3 years. If you just go back, you will see the share capital or the shares outstanding for the company has increased from only 60 lakh shares in 2013 to as high as nearly 1.23 crore shares. And in the last 3 years, you will see that the allotment has done at the price of anywhere between 13 rupees to 54 rupees. So that has been trend. So 60-70 lakh shares allotment via preferential issue and warrants done in the year, and the stock has been moving up. There are only 27 permanent employees in the company, which is reported in the annual report, and the average salary is only 3.5 lakh rupees per annum. Strangely, there is a foreign exchange outgo which happens, from the company, which is 7 crore shares, but there is no income which comes, from this company. There's no foreign exchange income. Balance sheet, there's no hidden investment which is there, which you can say, why this company commands a market cap of 400 crores. There's a debt of 35 crores, which is higher than the cash, which is 11 crores. Tangible assets are also only 22 crores, which has come down from nearly 35 crores. And there's an insurance claim receivable because one of the plant got into fire. So 25 crores is that pending amount. So there's no hidden asset which is there with the company. Also, mysteriously, there was a mysterious merger actually which happened in the last 1 month or so. There's a company by the name of Vet Pharma, with the net worth of only 3.5 crores and sales of 4.5 crores. If you held 1 share of Vet Pharma, you were entitled for 7 shares of this company. And guess what? The promoters of the company held Vet Pharma, and hence they were entitled to this entire 1:7 swap ratio. With this, what happened is that the promoter of this company, which is Nutra Plus, their shareholding in the company increased from 38% to as high as 55%. So clearly 80-90%, they got it from this merger with a company which is having sales of only 4.5 crores. So this is a company for you. Market cap surging by nearly 5,000%. Profit of less than 10 crores in the last 5 years. No cost audit report in the last 5 years.
All right, Varinder, thanks a lot for another of those gems. So that's our Friday favorite, Did You Know? But